We're past the 2-month mark, and this Durango has yet to be stolen.
We have, however, had our first 2 tiny warranty issues.
The left rear seat belt refused to release a tether we've used to latch our dog, Snickers, into hundreds of press cars. A new latch was ordered and installed, and my tether was safely extracted from the defective one.
Our right rear outboard taillight lens somehow became foggy.
Both parts were ordered and arrived the next day.
Installation was estimated to take an hour, but 20 minutes in I was notified it would be 2 hours or more, and I was offered a shuttle ride back to my office.
When completed, the dealer shuttled me back to pick up my washed and vacuumed Durango 4. #satisfied customer.
Another anomaly: on the fallback time change night, we left a party at 11 p.m.
and noticed the clock reading 12.
By the next morning, it had correctly fallen back to the appropriate time.
We'll try to observe its behavior around the springtime change.
Our Durango RT racked up its first road trip over Thanksgiving.
Highlights included a stop on Kentucky's Bourbon Trail at the Wild Turkey Distillery, dinner at the Marcus family homestead outside Memphis, Tennessee, and touring Civil War battlefield sites in historic Vicksburg, Mississippi.
Snickers liked looking out the windows from her cage, secured to the cargo area hooks while carrying 2 or 4 adults, and she loved riding on the laps of her 11-year-old twin cousins in the 3rd row while 7 of us comfortably toured Vicksburg. In total we logged 2,173 miles in 37.6 hours, averaging 57.8 miles per hour overall at a much improved 18.9 miles per gallon, a figure that the onboard computer optimistically self-reported at 20.6 miles per gallon. Our overall average is up to 16.9 miles per gallon.